How to copy and paste output from Ask AI. Just got a great answer from Ask AI and want to save it or use it somewhere else? In this video, I will show you how to copy and paste output from Ask AI in just a few steps. Let's go. First, open www.iask.ai in your browser. Type in anything you want. Once you see the AI response, it's time to grab it. Just click and drag your mouse over the text you want to copy. Make sure you highlight everything you need, from the first word to the last. Once it's highlighted, right-click and choose Copy, or press Ctrl+C if you are using Windows and Command+C if you are using Mac. Boom! Your content is now on your clipboard. You can even tap the copy icon at the top of the response to copy the whole content. Now, go to where you want to paste it, a Word doc, Google Docs, Notepad, email, wherever. Click where you want it to go, then right-click and choose Paste, or press Ctrl+B if you are using Windows or Command+B if you are using Mac. Bonus tip: once you paste the content, you can edit it freely, add your own notes, change the formatting, or shorten it for social media captions. And that's it. Copying and pasting from Ask AI is quick, simple, and super useful. Perfect for saving answers, building projects, or sharing info on the go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.